How to use masking to create cool video effects in CapCut PC. So if you want to use masking to create cool video effects in CapCut PC, then first you need to open up your CapCut application. Once you open, now you need to go with create a new project and then go for import, which is here on the left, and import the videos. Once you've imported, now what you need to do is you just need to select the video, and then you can simply adjust the scale. And here you need to go for the mask option, which is here on the right side, and then you can choose a mask. So for example, I'll be choosing horizontal mask. Once you've chosen, now you need to simply go and adjust it. And once you've added that, now you need to add a keyframe to it. So simply go with the add keyframe, and then again move that mask forward and again add a keyframe right here. So in the same way, you can add those keyframes and adjust the mask till the last of the video. Once you added the keyframes, now you can play the video and you can see that your mask has been added, right? So what you need to do is you just need to simply adjust this video on top of the other video. And now if you play, then you will have this cool transition. You can do this with other videos also. So that's how you can use masking to create a cool video effects in CapCut PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.